As a seasoned RV enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for products that can enhance my overall travel experience and make life on the road more comfortable. One such product that has significantly impressed me is the Camco RV Vent Insulator with reflective surface. This handy accessory has proven to be a game changer when it comes to energy saving and temperature control inside my RV. One of the standout features of the Camco RV Vent Insulator is its innovative reflective surface. This surface effectively blocks external heat from entering the RV during scorching summer days. Similarly, during colder months, it helps to retain the warmth inside the RV, making it an excellent addition for all year-round camping. Compatibility is always a concern when investing in RV accessories, but the Camco RV Vent Insulator fits like a glove on standard 14-inch x 14-inch RV vents. Installing it was a breeze, and it stayed securely in place without any annoying slips or adjustments needed. What sets the Camco RV Vent Insulator apart from other similar products is its impressive 3-layer protection. The exterior layer is constructed from a durable, weather-resistant material, providing excellent protection against the elements. The second layer, with its reflective surface, enhances temperature regulation as mentioned earlier. The third layer, which comes in direct contact with the RV vent, is made from a soft and plush material. Not only does this add an extra layer of insulation, but it also helps to minimize noise from rain or wind hitting the vent. During my travels, I noticed that the Camco RV Vent Insulator effectively keeps out unwanted light from entering the RV during the early morning or late evening hours, providing a more restful and undisturbed sleep. Overall, the Camco RV Vent Insulator is a worthwhile investment for any RV owner. I highly recommend the Camco RV Vent Insulator to enhance your RVing experience and enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective journey.